Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel that helps you make smarter purchasing decisions.
Today we have an exciting showdown between two top-notch dash cameras. On the left, we have the REDTIGER dash cam, and on the right, the Miden S7 dual dash camera.
Get ready for some epic comparisons, controversial opinions, and of course, lots of jokes.
Let the battle begin. When it comes to capturing those precious moments on the road, video quality is crucial.
The REDTIGER dash cam boasts an impressive 4K plus 1080p dual recording capability.
That means you'll be able to see every detail from road signs to license plates in stunning clarity. Now let's talk about seeing in the dark.
The REDTIGER dash cam comes equipped with superior night vision capabilities.
Thanks to its ultra-large f1.5 aperture and HDR technology, it captures important details even under low-light conditions. Let's move on to connectivity.
The REDTIGER dash cam offers Wi-Fi and smart app control. Simply connect it to your smartphone via Wi-Fi, and you can use the REDTIGER app to view, playback, and manage your dash cam. You can even download and edit videos right from the app. It's like having a personal editing studio in your pocket.
Now let's dive into the extra goodies these dash cameras have to offer. The REDTIGER dash cam comes with built-in GPS, which records your driving route, real-time speed, and location.
You can track it on Google Maps via Wi-Fi or with their GPS player software. It's like having a personal travel log. Both cameras prove to be excellent choices for capturing those unforgettable moments on the road.
And that concludes our epic showdown between the REDTIGER dash cam and the Miden S7 dual dash camera. It was a close battle, but in the end, both cameras proved to be excellent choices for capturing those unforgettable moments on the road.
Remember, whether you choose the REDTIGER or the Miden, you're making a smart purchase.
Thanks for watching Buy Smart, and we'll catch you in the next video.
Stay smart, everyone.